invite you to my place to celebrate your birthday today. Can we stand to our feet and show them some gratitude? Come on, everybody. Yeah, that's it. And now, a round of applause. Get it? A round of applause. There you go. Perfect. All right, let's move on with the business at hand. Everyone take a seat, unless you're a birthday star. Since you are a very special guest today, the cast and I would like to treat you as royalty. Do we have the crowns? Yeah! Well, what are we waiting for then? Let's strike up the band and start the royal ceremony. I want to shake your hand and wish you a personal happy birthday myself. It was me for you.
Wow, Justin, it's so good to see Chucky getting in there, shaking hands, giving high fives, and wishing birthday wishes. He's so personable.
He certainly is, Kelly. You know, not only is he so nice, but he is great at throwing terrific birthday parties. Oh, check this out. If I'm not mistaken, he's about to get things going here.
All right, everybody. We're going to have some fun here before we get to lighting candles, making wishes, and such. Are you ready to get loud? I said, are you ready to get loud? Well, come on now. You can do better than that. Are you ready to get loud? Now that's more like it. Now we're going to have a little competition. I'm going to draw an invisible line right here to make two teams, okay? If you're over here on my right, you're going to shout, happy, and then clap your hands over your head like this. Let's try that. When I point to you, you say happy and... Happy! Yeah, that was great. Now, for you folks over here on my left, you'll shout birthday and clap your hands when I point to you. Ready? And... Perfect. Let's see who can be the loudest. And if you feel like it, you can stand up and be crazy with it, okay? Here we go. Happy!